Hey everyone, it's Rob Ross here with the Ross Group at Intercoastal Mortgage. I hope you're having a great day so far. I wanted to bring to you some exciting news, at least I'm excited about it, and it's this right here. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe my camera guy is gonna zoom in on this for you at some point. But this right here is a challenge coin. And if you don't know what that is, if you're a veteran, well, we'll have to talk if you don't know what it is if you're a veteran, but you should know what this is. A challenge coin is an amazing thing that you get when you accomplish something as a military veteran serving our country. So first and foremost, we love VA loans. We love VA loan referrals. They are literally the best mortgage programs out there. And if you can qualify for those, first off, you deserve it. But we've created an amazing home buying challenge coin here at Intercoastal Mortgage. And when you close on your purchase, you're gonna get this in the mail with a nice handwritten thank you note, basically thanking you for your service, and we really mean that. We're very patriotic here at Intercoastal. We have lots of veterans that work here ourselves, and we really can't thank you enough for what you do for us and serving our country. So just a little note, if your lender's not doing these challenge coins, first off, you're working with the wrong lender. Secondly, if you're a lender and you're seeing this, don't steal our idea. Better yet, why don't you just come work for Intercoastal Mortgage and we'll take care of it for you. So remember, Rob Ross and the Ross Group, you know it, I shouldn't have to say it, we're always working together to serve you better. Have a great day and we'll speak to you soon. Peace out.